Early spring is the optimal time to apply the first round of Preen. Preen will start to work to prevent new seeds from sprouting and rooting at any time. Preen is very easy to apply, you just sprinkle it onto the soil or mulch. Just use the exact application rate located on the label. Generally, figure 1 ounce per 10 square feet. As a rule of thumb, the granules should be spaced approximately relative to the size of the quarter. You'll use the same amount of Preen regardless of whether you're applying it directly to the soil or on top of mulch. Apply Preen when the garden is dry. If you apply it when it's wet, the granules can stick to the leaves and cause leaf damage or discoloration. It's very important to water Preen to activate it. Best used with a hose or sprinkler or rain, only if a soaking rain is expected in the next day or so. After you water in any new application of Preen, don't allow people or pets to walk in the bed until it's dry. For maximum weed prevention, apply Preen again in mid-season. And that's it. Preen is the way to a wonderful weed-free garden. As with any gardening product, it's important to read the label and follow the instructions. Happy gardening!